Hi, in this video, we will look at the following main character. Earth is the only known planet that can support life. Not surprisingly, 1 tablespoon of Earth, or soil, has more organisms in it than there are people on the whole planet. Earth is recognized as one of the 5 elements in Taoism, and its importance makes it a useful symbol in language. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts a mound of earth or soil. This is how the character looks today. Can you see the similarities with the ancient character? This character is pronounced tu, and it means soil. It is used in words that mean the ground and things made out of clay. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. Now from here, we'll add a character that means sun. An area of ground with a lot of sunlight is a great place to gather people and hold events. This character is pronounced chang and means place. It is used in these words, jichang, which means airport, and shichang, which means market. Here's the next character. We're back to the main character. Now let's add 2 people. This character shows 2 people sitting on the ground or floor, which is very common in Asian countries. This character is pronounced zuo, which means sit. It is used in this word, zuo ban, which means work, specifically in an office. Here's another character. Now from here, let's add a character that symbolizes the walls of a broad house. This character portrays people that are seated inside a house. This character is pronounced zuo, which means seat or a place to sit. It is used in this word, zuo wei, which means seat or place. Time for another character. The character on the right means not. Good soil is important to grow plants, which is the foundation for all of the food we eat. When plants can't grow, it means the soil is bad. This character is pronounced huai and means bad or go bad. It is used in these words, huai chu, which means harm or disadvantage, and po huai, which means destroy or ruin. Here's the last character. Now, the character on the right portrays a dual pot steamer. The bottom pot holds the boiling water, and the top pot cooks the food with the steam. This character portrays the use of clay to seal any seams or openings between the pots to increase the efficiency of the heat. This character is pronounced zeng and means increase. It is used in this word, zhengjia, which means increase or raise. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters, and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.